Planet Krakow is happy to bring you Krakow Easter Fair. It opened today, 21st of March. And for the first day of spring, we got a beautiful day. Last year I got to film in grey clouds and rain. But this year, this is much more like what we want for Easter. And I've already had a quick scout around the market, and I gotta tell you, it's a good one this year. It's a really good one. So many of you I know have watched our Christmas market videos. So a number of the stalls are the same, but this year it feels like more than ever there's just a ton of Easter stuff as well. So we will go hunting for that. There will be festivities and singing and dancing during the course of the next couple of weeks. But already it's busy. Definitely a springtime vibe in the air. But here we go. Look at this, folks. This certainly puts you in the Easter spirit now. You see a lot of these sort of dried decorations around and a ton of very brightly colored Easter eggs. You're gonna see these all over. 10 zloty here, I saw them for 7 zloty somewhere else. These things are very popular, gotta say, never worn one myself. So like I said, a mixture of returning vendors. You've got the sweets and the jewelry, the coats, and there's a really good food section which we'll come across last. There we go, 7 zloty, 8 zloty. I think they vary by, the price varies by size, I guess. So some of these ones are a little different to the ones you see elsewhere. And of course, all the time, the smoked cheese, or the smoked cheese wrapped in bacon with, not to be missed, cranberry sauce. So I gotta say, we're coming out of winter. Don't need to be buying the big fur coats this time around. Lots and lots of things dipped in chocolate. I don't know whether, you know, which one I prefer, the Easter market or the Christmas market. Of course, the Christmas market has its charm all of its own, very special, but cold, of course. This one, a lot of the same stuff, a really nice vibe, and warm weather. Warm weather, go sit in the cafe. Go sit in the cafe, just chill out. That really, I don't know, I like them both. I think if you come to either one, it's great. Of course, the Christmas fair has a lot of added decoration. Last year, if you go back and check my video, it actually was snowing when we made the video, so definitely had a wonderful Christmassy effect. So here's the Polish pottery place, and They do, of course, an Easter collection. Pretty nice. They got some more unique eggs. They're a little bit more than 7 zloty, I'm going to tell you. But they're very nice. Ceramic ones. Stuff that you get year round, and I'm pretty sure they have bunnies. Lots and lots and lots of Easter bunnies. This one is almost all Easter stuff. So these guys have got everything. Everything. Eggs for 5 zlotys. Tiny ones. You got every size and shape. This is serious Easter decorating here. I kind of like these. Plain white and black and one pink. Better be quick to come and buy the pink one. But these are, let's look at that again. I think that's, I like. And on this side too. And a giant bunny. Take back on the plane. Take back on the plane with you. I think they may be winning. They may be winning right under the town hall. Number 30. Check out them. And they've got all the dried flowers. They've got the full shebang. And of course, you know, some great traditional foods, traditional soups. That bread just gets me every time. It's just fantastic. Secret Smaku. If you watch our videos, I'm a Secret Smaku fan. And especially Mexicanski. They are my go-to pierogi. Not very traditional. Another Secret Smaku with the croquettes. It's hungry work working for you viewers. So I'm building my appetite. Pan around. See, I told you the eggs you find. The eggs are everywhere. Oh. I'm a big fan of the local slippers. My pair is lasting me forever, and it's super comfortable. I think pretty much the same stuff in the other pottery one, except the cute ducks. Some very cute ducks. They deserve a little bit of attention because They're very cute.
Your daddy loves the eggs. This is
One rabbit.
Maybe rabbit or something like this rabbit for the gifts or something.
Gifts, he's right. You're definitely the rabbits. The little ducks, I think. These are, you don't see these all over. These are special.
Yeah, for daddy.
Yeah.
Also. Kaczka.
Kachka?
Yeah.
That's what they are, kachka. And they're nice to eat as well in Poland, yes.
Hello again.
Hello again! It's become a little bit of a regular thing, I think. Blacksmith guy is just a permanent feature. Easter, winter, Christmas, he's here the whole time. Why not? Okay, so now we are coming to the food section. They put a little terrace out this year. They kind of just rejig the layout a little bit every year. And indeed they put the market on different sides of the square sometimes. So it's never 100% the same. But definitely this side is where you come and get your foods. Always popular. The cooked meats, the cooked traditional meats. And look at we're in full terrace season now. Europejski Cafe, Havelka. It's a season. But
Yes, thank you. Yeah.
I'm gonna be brutally honest. Sometimes some bad feedback about these guys because they charge, if you have a look, they charge by weight, right? They charge, the prices are per 100 kilograms. And these things soon begin to get kind of heavy. So you can kind of, I saw, people paying, well, you're paying a lot more for your sausage and your meat there than you are if you just go a few hundred meters off the square to one of the many restaurants. So you're definitely paying a premium to eat the meat here. But, that's part of the charm. It's part of what you want to do, is grab the meat and eat in the market. But if you're looking for the cheapest option, it's not it. But of course, they hook you, right? They hook you in. How can you resist? And look at the sizzle. The sizzle. I think I could just film that for 10 minutes. I think that would be a great video. Just that. But look at this. Sun shining. People, look at short sleeves. T-shirt weather. T-shirt weather. Grab a few beers. The big dog. This time you know what you're paying. 40 zloty. And it is a big dog. And I've had one, and it's a nice dog too. So please, if you're new to Planet Krakow, I guess we got about 300 videos now from 3.5 years living in Krakow. So we've done a few Christmas markets and an Easter market. So go back, and plenty to see from the other years. See how they're different. How the layout is different. The markets are always some of the most popular videos we do. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. And I would suggest that you might want to check out our Facebook group, which has taken off in the last year. Unbelievable. This weekend, which is going to be a cause for celebration, we are going to hit 50,000 members of our Facebook group. It's called Krakow Cool Things to Do. Get on the Facebook, look for Krakow Cool Things to Do. Come and join the group because people are posting great stuff every day. The thing about Facebook is it's not my content. There's a little bit of my content I share, and I share some things exclusively to Facebook. But it's everybody else's content as well, and sharing tips and information. And we've grown from 6,000 members last June to 50,000 this weekend. I really thank everybody for their support. But it's dynamic. Every day somebody's posting something interesting. Updates from Krakow, great tips about what they're doing, and are especially good for visitors. But YouTube is where Planet Krakow began. And there you have it, 2024, the Easter market. Some really, really, really nice smells. So what should I have?